Hi guys, Teresa here. It's the time of the year when I usually fly to South Korea for Seoul Fashion Week. But this year, it's not gonna happen because everything is online. Seoul Fashion Week is gonna be online and I'm not gonna get my OOTD shots that I got before in Dongdaemun Design Plaza. So I decided to set up a photo shoot for myself for my OOTD shots this week of Seoul Fashion Week. And it was really so hard because I had so much ideas running in my mind and I needed the perfect photographer, perfect makeup artist, and the perfect place to do the shoot. I didn't need a studio for the shoot. I wanted to do a home shoot like the home content that Days Korea, Marie Claire Korea, Vogue Korea, and many more magazines in Korea have been doing this COVID-19. So I wanted the home shoot and I wanted the homey vibes. So I really took time to look for the perfect photographer and the perfect makeup artist who can help me finish the 7 layouts in a day. So let's see what happened in my preparation for this photo shoot and let's see what happened in the photo shoot itself. So let's go! In every fashion week that I attended, I always had my lashes done. But for now, I was supposed to schedule an appointment with New Lounge here in Pampanga. But my makeup artist told me that it's better not to have the falsie. So, hindi tayo papagawa ng false eyelashes now. And hindi din ako makakapag-threading. So, isi-shave na lang to ng makeup artist. And hindi din tayo makakapag-facial. Medyo okay naman na yung face ko compared to before. As in, ang lala nung January, February, ang lala talaga. Pero now, I just have spots here. Bago sila. So, medyo kailangan ko lang lagyan ng bleaching cream. And I hope they'd be gone after how many days. Mag-shoot kami on the 12th. And it's the 2nd today. So, I have 10 days. In the 10 days, try ko mag-diet, guys. Try kong hindi magkanin. At i-document natin if kakayanin ko ba talaga. But for now, ayusin na natin. Tapusin natin to. I'm finishing my outfits there. And maglilinis tayo kasi kinalat ko yung mga bags ko dyan. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng accessories. So, tignan natin. Yan na nga, guys. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko magda-diet ako pero may pizza tayo ngayon. So, kakain tayo ng pizza. Guys, day 2 of preparing for my shoot. Medyo hindi ko pa rin natatapos to. Kung paano siya kahapon, ganun pa rin siya. Kasi gusto kong hintayin yung clothes talaga para makita sila in real life. And now, imbes na mag-exercise at mag-edit dapat ako ng vlog ngayon. Pero, magpa-farm daw kami. Fishing daw kami. So, kung iitim ako today, good luck na lang. Buti medyo uulan yata. So, tignan natin. Hindi na ako nagbihis, guys. Naka-jogging pants lang ako. And oversized shirt. Ayoko talaga mag-fishing. Pero guys, okay. So na, nasa farm na kami. What are we doing here in the farm?
You will guard the fishes.
Dungis ko na, ang pula ko na din. Feeling ko umitim ako today. Para ako. Guys, super pagod ko ngayon and I think umitim ako. Umitim ba ako? Feeling ko umitim ako. Ayan, nakabihis na tayo. Naka-duster ako, guys. This is my favorite duster. Tabutas na nga siya. Tignan nyo. Nawala yung ribbon niya. Ayan. For now, once pa lang kami kumain and hindi ako nag-rice kanina. Pinakain ko lang yung pamangkin ko. And siguro mag-rice ako ngayon dinner kasi hindi naman ako nag-breakfast. Tapos, hindi ako nag-rice ng lunch. So, okay na yun. Ito na yung diet ko. Hindi ko talaga kayang tanggalin yung kanin. maganda na yung natanggal ko siya ng lunch. Pero bigyan nyo naman ako ng kanin kahit isang meal lang. Hi guys! Nawala ako ng ilang araw kasi ginivipan ko na talaga yung diet. Wala na talagang patutunguhan yung diet ko kasi 1 week na before ng shoot, dun ko palang naisipan mag-diet. So, nag-give up na ako sa thought na yon. At ngayon, it's already October 10. It's 10:10 today, kaya magsha-shopping tayo online. At ang itim ko, guys, hindi ko alam na umitim talaga ako nung nag-fishing kami. Wala akong ginawa the past days kung di ayusin ang mukha ko. Wala akong ginawa kundi hydrate yung sarili ko and always do my skincare routine. So, yun. Umiwas din ako lumabas para wala na yung mask ni. Kasi tinan nyo to, ang lala. Sana matakpan to ng makeup artist pag nag-shoot na. So, yun. It's 1 day away from my shoot kasi bukas na lang, tsaka 2 days actually. Ngayon, tsaka bukas. Tapos, October 12 yung shoot natin. So, tignan natin ano mangyayari. Mamaya ayusin ko na yung mga outfits kasi ayun na. Kita nyo pa ba yung, ayan, ayun yung sticky note na ginawa ko dati. And, pinakap ko na siya kasi nilalabhan na yung mga outfits na susuot ko. Good morning, guys. It's October 11 today. It's the day before the shoot. So, I have to prepare talaga. So, mamaya gagawin natin. Magne-nails tayo. Meron akong nail stickers over here. So, I'm gonna do my nails later. And the second thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna have a dry run. So, we're really gonna try all the outfits. So, I could check if I need more accessories or the makeup for that look is good. So let's try everything out. And the third one that we're gonna do is pack everything and make sure nothing gets crumpled. So let's start today. So guys, tinatry ko na lahat ng outfit. Ito lang yung salamin ko. Walang ilaw dito. So yung ring light. At ito ang current situation. Na-finalize ko na yung mga outfits. Tinatry ko na lang isa-isa. So, kaya nandyan yan. Nagtatry ako isa-isa. Tapos yun, na-finalize ko yung shoes, accessories. Yung earrings na lang yung hindi pa. So, guys, it's the day of my shoot. And I'm gonna do a last-minute nail repair. So, tinan nyo yung nails ko. Walang-wala. Ilang months na siya ganyan dahil walang nail salons ngayon. So, bumili ako nitong Caronia in Beauty Manila. And, bumili ako ng nail sticker sa Shopee. Try natin. All done, guys. Medyo ang pangat ng pagkalagay pero hindi naman halata. So, yan. Tignan nyo. Dapat pink to kaso nasira ko siya. So, ginamit ko yung hindi pa sira. Ayan. Pinagmix ko sila kasi nasira. Hey guys, so we're done with our first outfit. Ito yung first outfit namin. May blazer ako kanina. So, yan. It's so nice. Ito na yung second outfit. Magbibihis na tayo. Wait lang. Bye!
Dapat yan. No, wag yan. Nagparang dito pa. Yan. Love it.
You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I wouldn't dressed up.
Charon! We're in our third outfit, guys! Ito na yung third outfit. It's the daily outfit. So, bye! Our photographer for today! Hi! Find her in... What's your Instagram? Yeah! Done with this, changing to this one. Okay. Changing to this one. Ganito din ako pag fashion week in public functions. Change outfit. Thank you, Ja!
Thank you. We'll see you again. So, alam nila ko saan. Maybe in Korea.
Maybe in Korea.
Yes.
Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Ano Instagram handle mo?
Follow me in my Instagram account. It's Ralph Sapno, professional makeup artist.
Yes, siya yung nagpaganda sa akin today. Thank you! Hi guys, it's been a long day. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nagmamadali kami. Sana kasi sasama ko talaga yung pinsan ko today. But, hindi tayo pwedeng magsama ng madaming tao sa shoot. So, kanina ako lang, yung photographer, hairstylist, and makeup artist. My makeup artist was Ralph Sapno and my photographer was Jael Dela Cruz. And I really had fun. Although, hindi kami nakapag-picture ni Jael and kami ng makeup artist nakapicture kami. Pero nung huli na pero in between, hindi kami nakapicture. Hindi ko din alam bakit hindi ako nag-vlog kaninang inaayos niya ako. So, hindi talaga ako sanay maging vlogger. Ano ba yan? Puro lang pictures kasi dating nagbo-vlog pa tayo, ba diba? So, eto na. Wait lang. My sister is calling. Yun lahat ng gamit ko kanina. Ayun pa. I'm done fixing everything that I used for today, but I'm gonna fix my closet since yesterday when I was curating all my outfits for the shoot today, I really messed up a lot. So I'm folding all my clothes again, and now while folding, I'm watching Joan Day. Joan Day is my favorite vlog. I love Joan Day because it's really so real what happens in her life. Hang out lang, ganun. So sana matapos na yung COVID so that I could do vlogs like that. But for now, I don't know what to do here at home. Especially now that we're moving out. So, medyo matagal ko nang sinasabi sa inyo na we're moving out. Pero, yun, there's so much delays because, yun, madaming dinagdag sa bahay and everything. Because, ina-expect na ng dad ko na matagal pa tong quarantine. So, pinapaka-sure na okay na yung bahay. But for now, we're packing and packing and packing and packing. Bago ko tapusin yung vlog na to, baka mag-shoot pa tayo ulit. Set up ko yung pang-shoot ko dito. Tapos, shoot pa tayo ulit. Sayang naman yung makeup ko and hindi ko to na-shoot. This is from Saint Pain. Yung outfit na to, guys. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit na to kasi madami tong pinanggalingan from my favorite idols. So, pakita ko mamaya yung mga components ng outfit na to. So, guys, eto, naka-set up na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan! Meron na tayong light dito at hawak ko tong tripod na to. Ginagamit natin to for photoshoot din today. Eto yung outfit natin. Ba't ko siya sinushoot? Kasi, guys, eto, shades to ni Jackson Wang. Etong Saint Pain shirt. Hindi ganito yung shirt ni Youngjae, pero it's from the same brand. Meron sinusuot na white Saint Pain shirt si Youngjae. And I decided to get something from Saint Pain also because Youngjae got one. So, and this one, it's the last one. Ito ang very cute, guys. Tingnan nyo. May heart siya. Chain case siya from Phono. This brand is endorsed by Sandara and I'm really loving it kasi ngayon wala ka nang dinadala kundi phone mo, diba? So, yan. At nag-photoshoot tayo dito sa back door. So, guys, tapos na. Ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Tigas na din ang buhok ko and masakit na yung mata ko kasi whole day na ako nakakontak. So, kailangan na natin magtanggal ng makeup and everything. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Medyo magulo kasi ang hirap mag-vlog lalo na kung naghahabol ng time tapos 7 layouts yung kailangan gawin. So, sana nag-enjoy pa rin kayo and I hope maganda yung mga photos. I think maganda sila kasi nung pinakita sa akin ni Ja, super ganda na nila kahit hindi pa naka-edit. So, I'm so happy. So, bye na. Ang dami ko pang sasabihin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!